Hello viewers, are you experiencing Gmail account create? This may take a few moments error problem. In this tutorial, I'll explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. So let's start. First, I'll tell you why is this happening. Actually, when you create many Gmails within very short time, then this error appears. Or when you create many Gmails with the same number and try to create a new Gmails again, such an error appears. If you create many Gmails within a certain period of time and facing this problem, then wait few times, after few times it will be solved automatically. Or if you create many Gmails with the same phone number and facing this error, then follow next step to fix this problem. Open your Gmail. Just go to your Gmail apps. Now click on profile icon. Here you can see your all Gmail. From here, delete your unnecessary Gmail. To delete unnecessary Gmail, just log in your Gmail that you want to delete. After login your Gmail, just click on profile icon. Now go to manage your Google account. Now go to data and privacy. Scroll down. Now here you can see delete your Google account option. Just click on this option. Now scroll down and tick mark 2 option. Now click on delete option to delete your Gmail account. After delete your Gmail account, now click on profile icon. Click on add another account. Now try to create new Gmail account and check your problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.